How to properly set up your beveling band. Bands are sized for an exact fit. Proper band fit starts with an accurate pipe measurement. Use a pipe tape and keep it square to the pipe. Wrap the band anywhere around the pipe. Then shift the band slightly to ensure all contact points are seated firmly against the pipe. The gap should not exceed 3/16 inch. A proper gap ensures smooth crawler operation and a clean cut from the torch. Rotate the adjustment handle to make slight changes to the band fit. If the gap is larger than 3/16 inch, or the pipe has a thick coating, you may need a custom oversized band. Follow these steps to ensure proper band positioning and a clean, accurate cut.